natural approaches to autism, exploring bee pollen and probiotics that are specialized called psychobiotics. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of bee pollen, probiotics, psychobiotics, and their potential impact on autism. We'll explore the science behind the gut-brain axis and how natural remedies like bee pollen and probiotics for psychological disorders can help improve the lives of those with autism. So click like and hit the button, let your friends know, subscribe, give me feedback, and here we go. So the gut-brain axis and autism. Autism is a complex neurodevelopmental condition with no known cure. Recent studies have shown the connection between gut bacteria and brain function. This is known as the gut-brain axis. Imbalances in the gut bacteria, or also known as gut dysbiosis, which result in bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and gas, have been linked to developing neurological disorders like autism. The role of bee pollen. Bee pollen is a natural substance with a rich content of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. It has been used for centuries as a dietary supplement and remedy for various health conditions. Studies have shown that bee pollen has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and can even modulate gut bacteria. In rodent models of autism, bee pollen has effectively reduced the neurotoxic effects of a poison called PPA. This poison causes autism-like effects in rodents in lab studies, mimicking autism in humans. Because what they have to do is they can't do all these real-life things on humans, so they have to test them on rodents first. So these psychobiotics are living microorganisms that can positively influence mental health and well-being when ingested in adequate amounts. They control immune function, reduce inflammation in the central nervous system, and regulate stress response. So the benefits of combining bee pollen and the probiotics, also known as psychobiotics. The result in these studies are impressive. Combining bee pollen and probiotics effectively lowers the poison PPA's neurotoxic effects, reducing pro-inflammatory cytokines and increasing anti-inflammatory cytokines. This suggests that psychobiotics may substantially impact immune function in the central nervous system, leading to potential therapeutic applications in treating autism and other neuropsychiatric disorders. So what are cytokines? Cytokines are small proteins that are essential for cell signaling and communication. They are produced by various cells, including immune cells like macrophages, B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, mast cells, endothelial cells, and fibroblasts. Cytokines can help regulate multiple biological processes, including immune response, inflammation, and forming of blood cellular components. There are several different types of cytokines, including interleukins, interferon, tumor necrosis factor, and chemokines. They have either pro-inflammatory or anti-inflammatory effects, depending on their function in the immune system. Pro-inflammatory cytokines, such as interleukin 1, also known as IL-1, or interleukin 6, also known as IL-6, and tumor necrosis factor alpha, also known as TNF alpha, promote inflammation and help the body fight infections and injuries. On the other hand, anti-inflammatory cytokines like interleukin 10, or also known as IL-10, and interleukin 4, also known as IL-4, help to suppress inflammation and limit tissue damage. Cytokines are crucial in maintaining the balance between the immune system's protective and potentially harmful effects. Imbalances in cytokine levels can contribute to various pathological conditions such as immune diseases, chronic inflammation, and neurological disorders. So, the impact on gut microbes on stress and cognitive function. So, the gut microbes play a crucial role in stress response and cognitive functions. Studies have shown that stress can alter gut bacteria composition and that gut bacteria can modulate stress-induced behavior and brain function. Furthermore, probiotics can have been shown to improve mental performance in both healthy and diseased individuals. So, the future of psychobiotics and autism treatment. Though more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind psychobiotics and probiotics and their impact on autism, the potential benefits of bee pollen and probiotics is promising. As we learn more about the gut brain axis and how it affects mental health, we can develop more effective microbiota, which is a community of microbes based therapies for conditions like autism. So, thank you very much. So, what it comes down to is a lot of the times we as autistic people, we can have gut problems, we can have problems with our immune system. And what happens is that we can easily get triggered. And the way that society looks at autism is it only looks at our external behaviors, and that's how it measures what's going on with autism, and not necessarily our internal thought processes and whether we are well or not. And so, taking something like bee pollen or probiotics can possibly help bring down inflammation and help improve the immune system. So, thank you very much for joining us as we've explored potential power of bee pollen and psychobiotics in combating autism. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more information. And if you have any questions or thoughts, please leave a comment below. I'll always get back to you. And thanks. Have a great day.